Welcome to Quiz Challenge. Today's topic is English vocabulary and grammar. 30 multiple choice questions, AD from easy to hard, synonyms, antonyms, parts of speech, articles, tenses, prepositions, subject-verb agreement, punctuation, and more. Take 10 seconds per question. Pause if you need. Answers include short explanations, so you learn as you play. Ready? Let's begin.
1. The best synonym for assist is. Two. The opposite, antonym, of ancient is. Three. The correct plural of analysis is. Four. Choose the correct form, she. To school every day. Five. The word quickly is an. Six. Choose the correct article, he is. Honest person. Seven. Subject-verb agreement, neither the teacher nor the students. Ready. Eight. Choose the correct preposition, she is interested. Learning French. Nine. Choose the correct form, this is the movie I've ever seen. Ten. Choose the correct word, there are cars on the road this morning. Eleven. First conditional, if I time, I will help you. Twelve. Choose the correct tense, I, my keys yesterday. Thirteen. Choose the correct quantifier, there isn't. Information. Fourteen. Pronoun agreement, each of the players did best. 15. Word form, her. Impressed everyone. Sixteen. Subject-verb agreement, a number of students. Absent today. Seventeen. Modal meaning, you. Smoke here, it's a no-smoking area. Eighteen. Prefix, choose the correct form. That's legal. Nineteen. Collocation, choose the natural phrase. Twenty. Spelling. Which is correct? Twenty-one. Idiom meaning. Once in a blue moon means. Twenty-two. Question tag. She can swim? Twenty-three. Passive voice. Choose the correct passive. Twenty-four. Reported speech. He said, I am tired. Twenty-five. Word choice. The new rules will. The schedule. Twenty-six. Order of adjectives. Choose the best order. Twenty-seven. Gerund. Infinitive. I enjoy. On weekends. Twenty-eight. No error. Choose the sentence with no mistake. Twenty-nine. Comma with introductory clause. Choose the correct sentence. 30. Choose the correct sentence.
Thanks for playing the quiz challenge. How many questions did you get right? Let us know in the comments. If you had fun, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome quizzes. See you in the next challenge.